Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dream Speak English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jack. Today, we're going to share a very special story, a day in the life of a family from morning to night.
That's right, Jack. This story is perfect for beginners who want to learn English through real, everyday conversations.
Are you ready to spend a Sunday with us?
Ready? Let's begin. It's Sunday morning. The sun is shining softly through the window.
The children, Anna and Peter, are still asleep. They look so calm and peaceful.
We open the curtains and the room fills with bright, warm light.
It's time to wake them up gently. We touch their shoulders and whisper, "Good morning."
The children move slowly, still sleepy, but soon they sit up. Sunday has started.
The first thing they do is brush their teeth.
Brush, brush, brush. White bubbles around their mouths. They laugh a little.
Healthy teeth and fresh breath every morning.
When they finish, we smile and clap softly. Good job, well done, we say.
Breakfast is simple but delicious. Anna has toast with strawberry jam.
Peter eats crunchy cereal with cold milk.
We eat together slowly and happily. A warm, quiet family breakfast.
After breakfast, Anna puts on her jacket with a bright smile.
Peter struggles with his long shoelaces, always a little problem.
On the way, we see yellow flowers by the fence.
A big brown dog runs across the street. The children point at it with wide eyes.
Dog, they say. The dog runs fast.
Birds sing in the trees. The street is calm and peaceful.
Anna loves the swing. She moves back and forth, hair in the wind.
Peter climbs the stairs to the slide, going up and down again and again.
Small birds pick breadcrumbs on the ground. Small birds, small bread.
Life in the park is simple and beautiful.
We sit on a bench side by side. I hold a cup of tea.
A soft wind blows and the warm sun shines.
The children are happy, and when they are happy, we are happy too. I love Sundays.
Yes, Sundays are the best.
After the park, we get into the car. Anna and Peter sit in the back.
They are quiet for a moment, then smile when music starts.
Soft music, a happy song.
The road is calm and the sky is blue.
I say, today is our family day.
Family Day feels special.
We drive together, all four of us, side by side.
The food court is full of choices. Pizza, burgers, noodles.
We eat slowly and talk a little.
We drink water, not soda. Clear, fresh water.
A simple but good choice.
Now it's time for the movie. A family movie. Safe and fun.
The posters are big and colorful. The children look up at them excitedly.
Of course, we buy popcorn. Warm, crunchy, and salty.
We walk into the dark room. The big screen shines.
Music begins. Pictures move. The story starts.
Anna leans on her chair, eyes wide. Peter holds his popcorn tight.
Sometimes I watch them more than the movie. Their smiles are bright, their eyes shining.
The room is full of laughter, soft voices, and the sound of the movie.
2 hours later, the lights come on. We walk out.
The children are smiling, happy, and excited.
Evening comes. The house is calm.
I cut apples, bananas, and soft bread.
I pour warm milk into 2 small cups.
I call softly, Anna, Peter, come here.
Small feet run to the table. They sit quietly.
They eat slowly and drink warm, gentle milk.
After eating, we sit on the carpet. The children play.
Blocks go up, towers rise, then fall.
We smile and watch. The evening is soft.
Then we say, clean up, clean up.
Small hands pick up toys carefully.
The floor is clear again. Clean room, quiet room.
We sit close on the bed. The children lie under blankets.
The children breathe softly and sleep. We sit together, side by side.
The day is finished. From morning to night, we were with them.
This was our Sunday, a day with family from morning to night.
Thank you for listening and being here. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Write a comment telling us about your Sunday. See you next time.
Bye.